bakit natin kailangan i-discuss ano yung ugali or yung natural behaviors nila in the wild? That's because to be able to provide them the best care in captivity, the best way we can do that is to replicate yung natural environment nila in the wild as much as we can. So, hindi lang naman sa Pilipinas, actually worldwide, ball pythons ang isa sa pinakasikat na pet pagdating sa snakes. Bakit? Kasi unang-una, low maintenance sila compared to dogs and cats. Another is they're generally docile and calm. So, ito si Malos, wala pa siyang history of strike ever. Another factor is their size. So, their max size pagdating sa females would be about 4 to 5 feet. Ito, si Malos, almost full-grown na siya. She is a female. And pagdating naman sa males, they would typically grow between 2 to 3 feet. Yung difference ng size nila pagdating sa genders is actually a biological trait called sexual dimorphism. The next would be enclosure sizes, types, and best practices or alternatives you can do if you cannot provide yung minimum recommended size pagdating sa enclosure nila. Sa enclosure nila, if you will research sa international care guides, normal na mababasa mo or maririnig mo yung sasabi nilang 4x2x2 standard. Bakit? Kasi snakes are able to fully stretch out and mas less yung pinapakita nilang stress-related behaviors. Pagdating naman sa types of housing, number 1 dyan, best option would be PVC vivariums or yung mga PVC enclosure. Pwede rin ng tubs or racks or yung mga glass or aquarium tanks, but you have to make some modifications for it to be livable para sa iyong alaga. So, doon naman tayo sa alternatives. I know na ang 4x2x2 for some is masyadong malaki sa bahay nila or let's be honest, hindi siya mura. And if you have a lot of snakes or you have a lot of pets, hindi siya cost efficient para mag-stock ka ng sandamakmak na 4x2x2 sa bahay mo.